guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Shah and today we will learn about HTML with CSS. CSS stand for Cascading Style. The CSS describe how the HTML are to be displayed on the screen. So in just one line we can say that CSS is used to design the HTML web page. CSS save a lot of work, it control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. So you can use CSS in three different ways. First, by using style attribute in HTML, and we have discussed it previously. And this is known as inline CSS. And when you use CSS with the style tag in head, then this is known as internal CSS. And by using external CSS, you have to create a separate file for the CSS and link that file in the HTML. And the benefit of the external CSS is you can reuse the code in many different HTML files. So let's discuss in details. So let's create a new file, copy the code and paste here. Alright, now save the file. I'm gonna name it css.html and save type is all type. Alright, now save it. Done. So you can see the inline CSS example here. We already have discussed it earlier, and check the link if you want to learn again. So here we use the style attribute and its properties color and red. So remove this old code. Done. So this is the example of inline CSS. So now let's take an example of internal CSS. Internal CSS means you are using CSS on same page. So create a paragraph. Alright, my paragraph, and now start a style tag. Close the style tag. Now I am passing the reference of paragraph with the P and the braces and defining the color is green. Alright, save the file, run in the browser. Alright, so now you can see my paragraph text color is green. Alright, and this is the example of internal CSS. Alright, now let's take example of external CSS. In external CSS you have to create a separate file for CSS. So let's create another tag. I'm gonna create bold tag and the content is external CSS example. Alright, so first I'm gonna create a separate file for the CSS, create a new text document and rename it style.css. Alright, and the extension of the file should be .css, remember that. Alright, now I am passing the reference of bold tag here, B, and the braces and the color. Let's add red. Now use some more CSS, use box shadow, and the value is 0px top and bottom, 0px left and right, and then 10px, and the color let's add gray. Alright, and add some padding. Let's add 10px. Alright, now save the file. Now link that file in this HTML web page. So we link it with the link tag and link and pass the reference of CSS file in href tag, href attribute. So alright, and set rel is for the relation is style sheet. Alright, now save the file. Now refresh the browser. You can see the border box shadow and the text color is red. So remove the text shadow. Alright, now save it, refresh the page. Alright, it's working. So this is the example of external CSS. Check the link in description for more example.